Here's a question for you. Can the new you fall in love with who your betrayer has become? Think about that one for a minute if you're rebuilding. We had this discussion in our community section of the PBT Institute, and we have someone in there. We call her PBT's golden voice. She's in her 80s, and her whole role in PBT is just to drop these wisdom bombs. And that was one that she shared yesterday when we had some people. All we do is get people to their physical, mental, and emotional best. Sometimes that means they've completely outgrown their betrayer and they have no interest in rebuilding something new with them. And sometimes if the betrayer completely transforms, because they do as well, they have the potential to meet up again as two very, very different people. And this was something that was so interesting because that old you no longer exists. That old betrayer no longer exists. So the question is, can the new you fall in love with who your betrayer has become? Sharing the pearls of wisdom from PBT's golden voice. I hope that helps.